Sometimes when I'm at the beach, I see these guys jumping off of cliffs and mountains near the beach and then floating down. It seems like it takes them hours, and it's beautiful, but I'm not sure I have the nerve to do it. We're going to draw a parachuter today. Actually, more of a parafoil is what we're drawing. You're going to need some light blue and light yellow and red for the guy's outfit. I sure hope he knows what he's doing because, these guys go up really high and it's a long way down to fall. Let's capture the excitement of this floating person in the parafoil. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Now it's time for coloring. We'll speed up the video. Pause or adjust the speed if needed. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.